Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered why your phone's battery seems to drain fast, even though it's not that old? Here's the thing, your phone comes with a bunch of hidden features on your phone settings turned on by default. Most of them are quietly running in the background, eating up your battery and slowing your phone down even if you're not using them. But don't worry, because today I'm gonna show you how to turn these settings off, step by step. And by the end of this video, your phone will feel faster, and the battery will last a bit longer. All without installing any apps, or doing anything complicated. If this sounds good to you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Number 1. Turn off Scan for Nearby Devices by Google. Let's begin with one of the biggest battery drainers that hardly anyone knows about. This hidden feature is constantly using Bluetooth to scan for nearby devices even when you're not connecting to anything. Think about it. If your phone is constantly looking for other devices, this is wasting your battery every single second. Here's how to turn this off. Open your phone settings. Scroll down, then look for Google and click on it. Then go to Devices and tap on it. Find Scan for Nearby Devices and switch it off. Why this helps? This feature uses Bluetooth constantly and drains your battery even when you are not using your phone. Turning it off stops that background activity and saves power. Number 2. Disable unused printing services. Did you know your phone is always searching for nearby printers in the background, even if you have never used it to print anything? Most smartphones comes with a feature called Default Print Services, which constantly scans your surroundings for printers. This can use up a small amount of battery and Wi-Fi data resources over time. If you're not someone who prints directly from your phone, which most people don't, it's a good idea to turn this feature off. Don't worry, if you ever need to use it in the near future, you can easily turn it back on. Here's how to disable it. Go to Settings, use the search bar and type Printing, and then click it. Now tap on Printing, then tap again on System Printing Service. Now for some phone brands, this is listed as Default Service. This is the main service responsible for detecting nearby printers. As you can see, it is automatically searching for printers all the time. If you don't regularly use this feature, go ahead and switch it off. Okay guys, let's talk about number 3, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This is all about keeping track how much time you spend on your phone and managing your usage. You can see how many times you unlock your phone, how long you're on each app, and even set limits to avoid distractions. Sounds pretty handy, right? But here's the catch, even if you don't use this feature, your phone is still gathering data in the background, which can drain your battery and slow down your device. So, if you're not really using it, it might be a good idea to turn this off. Just a little tip to keep your phone running smoothly. To disable this feature, open your settings, then scroll down and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. On the top right corner, tap the 3 dots menu and select Manage Your Data. Now, once you turn this off, this will appear on your screen. Click on Turn Off in Settings. It will redirect you to Main Settings. Now, tap on Digital Wellbeing and switch off Permit Usage Access. There you have it, one less feature running in the background without you knowing it, and draining your battery slowly. Number 4. Apps like to send notification even those you don't care about. Every single alert lights up your phone that uses battery and background data. Multiply that by dozens of apps and it starts to add up. To manage this feature, go to Settings, scroll down and look for Notifications and Status Bar, or for some phone brands, just Notifications. Now tap on Notifications. Then tap on App Notifications. Now go down the list and turn off notifications from apps you rarely use or don't need to hear from. Being selective about notifications means fewer distractions. and less battery drain and smoother overall experience on your phone. Number 5. The most super effective tip that most people overlook is to limit phone charging to 85%. And it can seriously extend your battery's lifespan. Why it matters: charging your phone to 100% and leaving it plugged in, especially overnight, puts extra stress on the battery over time. This causes the battery to degrade faster, meaning you'll need to recharge your battery more often and eventually need to replace it soon. By limiting the charging to 85%, you can reduce overheating, decrease long-term wear and make your battery last longer between charges. I will show you how you can turn this feature on. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care, or for some phone brands, just Battery. Now tap on Battery. Then tap on Battery Protection. And here you will see a note that says, to extend battery lifespan, the system will learn how you charge your device and stop charging when battery level reaches 80% in applicable situations. So turning this on is such a good idea to make your phone battery last longer. Hope these tips are useful and simple to follow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up for more helpful tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next video.